Hello Doc, anong difference ng sunscreen at sunblock? Anong mas recommended? So guys, yung sunscreen guys, no, ibig sabihin yung mga sunscreen, sila po ang skincare that are designed to filter UV rays, yung mga UVB and UVA po na galing sa araw because yan po ang nakakakos ng mga undesirable skin changes sa ating skin over time. Now, meron tayong dalawang classification po ng sunscreen. We have the chemical sunscreen and also the physical sunscreen. Yung term naman na sunblock guys is not actually an official dermatologic term. But in recent years, nagkakaroon ng mislabeling ng mga physical sunscreen as your sunblock. So ano nga ba yung mga physical sunscreen and chemical sunscreen? So yung mechanism of action ng physical sunscreen guys acts like a physical barrier. Wherein yung mga physical sunscreen na ito guys ay nagre-reflect at nagsascatter ng mga UV rays na galing sa araw. So physical sunscreen primarily blocks UVB radiation but may also block UVA radiation to some degree depending on the ingredients used and the formulation. So yung chemical sunscreen naman guys acts like a chemical filter. It filters UV radiation, absorbs it, and converts it into harmless heat before it can penetrate into the skin. So typically, chemical sunscreen protects from UVB and UVA radiation, but this depends on the specific ingredients and the formulation. So yung physical sunscreen natin in terms of ingredients contain physical UV filters, kagaya ng mga titanium dioxide and or zinc oxide. And may mga studies na nagpapakita guys, ang mga physical filters na ito ay mas mainam sa mga pasyente na may sensitive skin dahil may decreased chance of developing irritation from these physical filters. Yung mga chemical sunscreen naman natin guys, as the name suggests, contain chemical UV filters kagaya ng abobenzone, oxybenzone, octinoxate, and octisalate. So yung mga chemical UV filters na ito ay mas lightweight and mas easier po sila spread sa skin natin. But there are cases showing na yung mga chemical UV filters ay may mas mataas na chance of causing irritation. But of course guys, may mga bago na rin ngayon na mga chemical UV filters na mas mainam para sa mga sensitive skin or lesser yung chance na magkaroon tayo ng irritation. So in terms of the appearance naman guys, no, yung mga physical sunscreen natin, sila ay yung mas mataas ng chance na mag-develop ng white cast sa ating balat because of the physical ingredients. So sometimes yung mga physical sunscreen natin, medyo thicker yung consistency niya, kaya minsan medyo heavy siya sa pakiramdam pag ina-apply natin siya sa face. And mas mainam ito para sa mga pasyente na nangangailangan ng agarang protection sa araw or sa UV radiation. So for example, nilagay niyo yung physical sunscreen nyo, immediately po kahit lumabas na kayo sa araw, meron na po kayong instant protection from the UV radiation and the sun. So yung mga chemical sunscreen naman natin guys, so they can be formulated into a transparent formulation, slightly tinted, and mas less yung chance nila to develop a white cast on the skin unless na-mix ito with physical filters like your titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. Kaya minsan guys, may tinatawag tayo na mixed physical and chemical sunscreen. But generally guys, yung chemical sunscreen natin, mas lightweight po ang formulation, kaya mas madali or easier siya i-apply sa skin, and also mas comfortable siya or cosmetically more appealing siya to most patients. And yung chemical sunscreen natin guys, na kailangan muna natin i-apply ito and mag-wait ng 30 minutes bago tayo pumunta outdoors. Dahil kailangan po munang ma-absorb ang mga chemical UV filters sa ating skin bago sila mag-work to protect our skin from the sun and UV radiation. Not like the physical UV filters na instant po yung protection nila. So in terms of longevity and resistance, yung mga physical sunscreen po natin or physical UV filters natin, mas stable siya sa sunlight and does not easily break down. And they offer long-lasting protection and mas water-resistant po siya. But some chemical filters po ay maaaring mag-start mag-degrade after prolonged sun exposure. So pag chemical sunscreen po talaga ang gamit natin, make sure na nagre-reapply kayo every 2 hours, especially if nasa labas kayo and nagpo-perspire kayo profusely. And if nagsiswimming kayo, reapply every 30 to 45 minutes po. Pero guys, ngayon, meron na po mga bagong nadidiscovery and nadidevelop na mga mas stable pa na mga chemical UV filters. And mostly guys, yung mga bagong sunscreen ngayon ay mga mixed physical and chemical sunscreen na. So you actually get the best of both worlds. So actually guys, So you actually get the best of both worlds. Pero guys, kayo pa rin po ang makapagsasabi kung ano po ang magandang sunscreen para sa inyo. So bago po kayo mag-apply ng sunscreen, pwede nyo muna po itong i-patch test para malaman kung paano mag-patch test ng sunscreen or skincare. Hanapin nyo po sa search button. Meron po akong ginawa na paraan para mag-patch test ng ating mga skincare. And pag nakita ninyo na wala naman po kayong reaction from patch testing a certain sunscreen na ginagamit ninyo, then you can try it for a couple of weeks and see if you're hiyang to it. Alright, guys? I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!